Hi guys, welcome back to the Sauna room. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and share with a friend, and please remember to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss an update. Now we are going to talk about the updated news on the COVID-19 virus right here in Jamaica. Now the Honorable Andrew Holness updated the country, and I want to just run through some of the things that he covered with you guys based on the articles that is published. Now, Corona has been taking over the country. We have 8 confirmed cases here in Jamaica. Please remember to sanitize and clean your hands. Guys, remember also, wash your hands before sanitizing. That serves you better. Now, the headline reads, COVID-19, Jamaica declares disaster area, restrictions now on travel from the UK. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has declared all of Jamaica as a disaster area of the COVID virus. Now, as it is, he has announced travel bans on the United Kingdom, the source country of Jamaica's first imported case. There is now 8 cases of the virus here in Jamaica. Holness made the announcement at the press conference at Jamaica House a short while ago, that is March 13. Now I want to run through some of the quarantine areas that they have and the confirmed cases. So quarantine area number 1 have 17, quarantine area number 2, 11, quarantine area number 3, 15, and we have a total number of 43. Now, government facility quarantine is 1. Home quarantine, we have 8. Hotel quarantine, we have 2. Total quarantined, we have 54, right? Total in isolation is 13. Total positive cases of COVID is 8. That is as at March 13, 2020. Now, the numbers that I was giving you are the amount of persons quarantined, the total amount of persons quarantined, and the total amount of persons tested positive for the virus is actually 8 at the moment. Now, the declaration of Jamaica as a disaster area empowers the government to take certain actions. Now, they will have certain rights now that they did not or would not have on a normal basis. Now, already the 7 and 8 miles community of Bull Bay in St. Andrew have been declared a quarantine area. So everybody in that community there quarantine off. So the government will be bringing food and supplies and water to them. So whoever inside cannot come out, because that's one of the epicenters of the virus. Just to clear up what is an epidemic and a pandemic, right? The epidemic is when the virus is in one area, the area that the virus is in. The pandemic now means that the virus is spreading to different areas. So now that's why the coronavirus is classified as a pandemic, because it has spread to a number of different countries, right? Now, police and soldiers have been deployed there to restrict movement in and out of the community. So it's kind of like a state of emergency, but they're just limiting the movement. You're not restricted, but it is limited. They have to give you authority to go out and come in, basically. The Attorney General, Marlene Malahoo Ford, says under the declaration, the authority will not require any warrants to enter the premises, because you know that the government will want to have the right to go into the houses to check persons to see if they have the virus. And they want to protect themselves against lawsuits. Now, the declaration also allows for people to be prosecuted if they make false declaration to the health authorities. Meanwhile, the imposition of a travel restriction on the United Kingdom, only Jamaicans and certain expected persons will be landed. However, landed persons will be quarantined either at the facility or at home. So that is the major updates on what is happening with the coronavirus. Guys, please keep up to date with the symptoms of fever, sneezing, runny nose. If you have come into contact with any of these persons, they are numbers that you can call that the government has issued. You can check online for the number. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the video, share with your friends so they can understand and keep up to date with the information, and I will see you on the next video.